can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen crazy pumps in the altcoin market. Zcash is still on the tier. Zcash got to as high as $700. Filecoin had a 100% rally to the upside. AIA pumped by 555% in the space of 1 week. ICP is up 120%. Is the start of alt season. For the last 3 years, market participants have called for alt season. And what has happened in those 3 years has been higher prices in the cryptocurrency market, higher prices for Bitcoin. But is it time for altcoins to have their own time? Is it time for altcoins to pump aggressively to the moon? Historically, that always happens at the end of the market cycle. Is the cycle ending? Are we in the start of a bear market? We look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. We look at the meme coin market. Why is sentiment down in the market? Why is there extreme fear when prices are still at relatively high level? Look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market and news stories going around the market. Will market participants lean into alt season, or will they lean into the start of the bear market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen a resurgence in altcoins pumping. The last 1 week has seen some altcoins showing signs of life. Even though these altcoins have been beaten down aggressively, but them pumping aggressively just in the space of 24 hours has sent signals around the cryptocurrency market. Is it the start of altcoin season? Should we start getting ready to buy these altcoins as they pump to the moon? Let's start with the talk of the town, Zcash. Zcash has been on the tier lately. Zcash has been pumping slowly and surely to the upside, even though we have seen dumps in the market, the biggest liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, yada. Zcash has just been on his grind, pumping aggressively to higher prices. We saw Zcash trading at the $34 level just on the 28th of July 2025. Since then, we have seen Zcash rally up to as high as over $700. Just took 98 days for Zcash to pump 2,000%. That's how quickly things can move in the cryptocurrency market. But it's not all sunshines and rainbows. Zcash has been in a downtrend for over 7 years. A lot of market participants have been averaging down their Zcash position, buying their Zcash position. And even the 2021 bull market, we saw Bitcoin having a bender, Ethereum, altcoins. Zcash also pumped, but couldn't set new all-time highs in 2021. We saw Zcash pumping by around 1,900%, and the rally stopped out at the $357 level. Right now, Zcash is on the bender from the bottom of the bear market. If we are being concise, where Zcash got to $16 on the 24th of June 2024. From $16 level, Zcash has found its way to as high as $750. From that perspective, Zcash is up over 4,300%, which has made a lot of market participants to start calling for altcoin season. Throughout this cycle, we've been hearing about altcoin season, the start of altcoin season. Benjamin Cohen has been saying altcoin season will happen to so and so happens. But one thing is sure, guys, we all know what altcoin season is. If you don't know what altcoin season is, a little refresher. Altcoin season is when altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, and the reason why it's called an altcoin season is that altcoins would have outperformed Bitcoin for a 90-day period, and the only reason why we'll call it an altcoin season is if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. Right now, a lot of altcoins have outperformed Bitcoin, near XM, Monero, ICP, BNB, KCM, Filecoin. We need most of the coins in the top 50 to outperform Bitcoin in a 90-day period. Bitcoin is just down 13% over the last 90 days. I expect to see more altcoins pumping. We're not in an altcoin season. We're not in an altcoin month, but we're very close to an altcoin month because on a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is down 10%. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin, and I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, more altcoins are going to be doing better than Bitcoin. Zcash is just one of the altcoins that have started the rally. We've seen Zcash pump, we've seen BNB pump, and this time last year we saw XLM pumping, XRP pumping. That will lead us to the cryptocurrency market cap, which sits around the $3.38 trillion level. If you zoom out and you ask yourself, you know what's the whole asset class doing? What's the whole of crypto doing? Over the last 3 years, the whole of crypto has been pumping to higher prices. We've had some pit stops along the way, but the result is Bitcoin trading above $100,000 from $15,000 where it was trading in November of 2022. Ethereum is trading above $3,300 from the $1,000 level where it was trading in November of 2022. Solana is trading around $150 in 2022 November. Solana was trading around the $8 region. XRP, XLM, Zcash, and a whole host of other coins have had their own time in the sun. I strongly believe we are getting to the final phase of the market cycle where all coins will go parabolic and the cycle will come to an end. A lot of market participants right now talking about the bear market. Cycle is over, 4-year cycle. There's some truths in all these statements. I believe the 4-year cycle, I believe we're very, very close to the end of the market cycle and we're very, very close to the start of a bear market. But before the bear market starts, we're going to see altcoin season. This time it's no different. Market participants are still going to be market participants. They are driven by fear. They are driven by greed. And at some point in time, we're going to see extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the vibes are down in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme fear dominates. This time last month, there was all-time highs in Bitcoin, total crypto market cap. Ethereum was also setting new all-time highs. But a month in cryptocurrency market can feel like a year. The most volatile market in the world, the cryptocurrency market, the altcoin market, even more volatile than the cryptocurrency market in general. Right now, we're extremely fear in the cryptocurrency market with Bitcoin trading above $100,000. I don't think the cycle is over. I expect market participants to still be betting on higher prices. I expect market participants to be scared. But the next few weeks is going to be very, very crucial. Zcash, ICP, Filecoin is already showing us the way. I expect to see all coins going parabolic over the next few weeks. All coins seeing signal highs in many weeks of bearish BTC dominance. Crypto analysts said Bitcoin dominance chart had looked bearish for weeks and all season could be on the horizon. I strongly believe that Bitcoin dominance is at the 60% region, and even though Bitcoin dominance has had green candles over the last 7 weeks, you can see signs of weakness are there. There was a bearish divergence for Bitcoin dominance way back in June of 2025. That bearish divergence for Bitcoin dominance led to a huge dump. That dump was a 13% dump. Bitcoin dominance went from 66% to as low as 57%. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to go lower than that. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to end at the 50% region at some point in time. Bitcoin dominance is retesting its 50-week moving average. I'll not be shocked if we get rejected and we see a sharp decline for Bitcoin dominance down to as low as 50% of the cryptocurrency market. With Bitcoin dominance going that low, that will mean the altcoins will have a shine. That means altcoins will be pumping historically. That's how the cycle always ends. If you look at what happened in the end of 2021, the end of 2017, and in 2013, we always see market participants rush into these altcoins. You have to think like the big whale. The big whales that bought Bitcoin at $15,000 and are sitting on a huge profit, with Bitcoin sitting around $100,000. They will need exit liquidity. How will they get that exit liquidity? I believe the exit liquidity will come from the altcoin market. So right now, when retail investors are selling their altcoins, thinking, you know what, the cycle is over, let's shut the altcoin market, smart whales are selling their Bitcoin and actually buying altcoins. So don't be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks, you see the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin getting to new all-time highs. You see the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum also getting to new all-time highs, with Bitcoin failing to set new all-time highs. If all these conditions line up, I'll not be shocked, guys, that the cycle is coming to an end. The cycle always comes to an end when market participants start going risks on. They start taking more risks. They start buying the token that is trending. They start trying to look for the next 10x, 20x, 50x. Zcash literally pulled a 20x return over the last 3 years, but all that 20x, most of the gains came in the final part of the cycle. Zcash went sideways for most of the 3 years. In just 90 days, Zcash got to over $750 from around the $30 level. So for context sake, guys, you have to hold Zcash down from Goblin Town. Let's assume you are one of the smart players that got in at the bottom. From July of 2024, you held your Zcash position, and all it did was a 172% move in 420 days. And then in 90 days, Zcash went up more than 1,500%. Patience will eventually pay out if you're holding your altcoin in the market. But remember, guys, not all coins are going to have parabolic moves by Zcash. Before you make any investment, do the necessary research and analysis. If you look at the meme coin markets, no love yet. The meme coin market is down bad. The last 7 days, the last 30 days, I've seen a decline in the meme coin market. But don't fret, guys. The best time to always buy is when prices are down. The best time to always buy is when market participants are scared. I strongly believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, As we see exit liquidity come to the market, as we see a lot of exit pump in these altcoins, meme coins are going to be where most of the gains are going to be made. We've seen Zcash give us a crazy pump, but the pump that Zcash has given us can easily be gotten in 24 hours in the meme coin market. Liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been increasing. We have seen the biggest liquidation in the market in the month of October. A $19 billion liquidation happened. Hopefully, November will not be different, but this time around, the bears will get liquidated. The last 24 hours have seen more than 142,000 traders getting liquidated, with the biggest liquidation coming in around $2.15 million. One trader lost that trade on Binance. Total liquidation is $248 million from the 142,000 traders that were liquidated. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. OG whales keep cashing out, threatening Bitcoin price to drop to $90,000. We're waiting for altcoin season. There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you see the general cryptocurrency market going? Do you believe total crypto market cap can get to $10 trillion, $5 trillion? Right now, the all-time high is still around $4.27 trillion. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.